Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss how you can fast track to becoming a World of Hyatt Globalist using the Bilt Rewards program's promotion that is currently going on. If you ever wanted to become a Globalist but thought it was too difficult to obtain because of how many nights it is required to actually become a Globalist, well, now is the time to act because there is an opportunity to get that status. But you will need to act fast because the registration is ending on April 1st. Typically, it takes 60 nights to become a World of Hyatt Globalist, but with the Bilt promotion that is currently going on, it's only going to take 20 nights. Now, this fast track promotion isn't actually something that's new. Hyatt typically offers this to certain companies where if you actually happen to be workers for this specific company, then you actually have the opportunity to do this fast track to get yourself World of Hyatt Globalist with 20 nights over the course of 90 days. But the difference with this is that this is actually going to be offered to all people who end up registering with the Bilt Rewards program by April 1st. You can qualify for this promotion. So let's go over the instructions of what you need to do. First, you need to create yourself a Bilt Rewards account and also a World of Hyatt account. The beautiful thing about this promotion is that you actually don't need to have a credit card with either of these programs. You can still qualify for this promotion just by creating an account. Now, when I created my Bilt Rewards account, it asked me if I want to apply for the Bilt Rewards MasterCard. I didn't click on the box and just created myself a Bilt Rewards account. I already happen to have a World of Hyatt account, and I'm pretty sure most people who are going to be watching this video probably already have a World of Hyatt account themselves because that's the way you end up racking up your Hyatt points within the account. Now, to create a Bilt Rewards account and a World of Hyatt account is completely free. And then after you end up creating both of these accounts, you're going to want to link them. And you're actually going to want to do it on the Bilt Rewards app. You don't want to do it on Bilt Rewards website. You can create the account on Bilt Rewards website, but you actually want to link the accounts inside Bilt Rewards app. So you're going to want to download it in either the Apple Store or the Google Store onto your phone. And then once you end up doing that, you actually be able to see on the Bilt Rewards app a way to link your World of Hyatt account to your Bilt account. It is incredibly easy. It only takes you about 5 minutes, and Bilt Rewards will actually walk you through the entire process. Now, once you end up doing that, you go to the home main page, and then at the top, you're going to see a fast track to World of Hyatt status. You click on that, and then you end up agreeing to the terms and conditions, and then you'll actually end up getting an email telling you that you're going to get yourself another email by April 17th that you are eligible for this status fast track. So some important information to know is to actually reach Globalist, what you're going to need to do is stay 20 nights between the dates of April 17th and July 16th. You have 90 days to stay 20 nights worth the World of Hyatt hotels, and then you end up reaching Globalist. Now, if you end up staying 10 days, you'll actually still end up reaching Explorers with the World of Hyatt program. And just for registering for this promotion, you're actually going to get yourself free Explorer status all the way till July 16th. So if you happen to have no status at all, you at least get yourself free Explorer status with the World of Hyatt program till July 16th. And if you happen to get yourself at least 10 nights, you're going to have Explorer status for the rest of this year, all of 2024, and then all the way till the end of February in 2025. And if you happen to stay 20 nights, you're going to get yourself Globalist status for the rest of this year, all of 2024, and then also till end of February of 2025. Now, this is absolutely awesome. If you end up completing this status match for either Explorers or Globalists, you're going to end up having that status for almost 2 years with the World of Hyatt program. Now, there's some more important information to know about reaching either of these statuses. The first thing is that if you happen to have the World of Hyatt credit card and you end up spending $5,000 to get yourself 2 free nights, this card is not going to qualify towards the status match. The status match is only going to be qualified for stays at the Hyatt hotel. Also, only stays within the promotion count. So if you happen to have stays that start before the promotion and go into it, it's not going to count. And if you happen to have stays that end up extending past the promotion, it's also not going to count. Also important to note is that when you end up reaching these statuses, you're not going to end up getting yourself the milestone awards that people typically connect with these different statuses. So normally, if you actually end up looking at Hyatt's chart when it ends up coming to moving up the milestone to get yourself either Explorer status or Global status, usually actually end up getting yourself certain awards when trying to reach these. So if you end up becoming a Explorers, it usually takes 30 nights, and when you end up reaching 30 nights, you get yourself a free category 1 to 4 certificate. And when you end up becoming a Globalist, it ends up taking 60 nights, and when you end up getting 60 nights, you get yourself a free 1 to 7 category certificate. You end up getting yourself 2 suite upgrade awards, and also you end up getting yourself your own concierge. But when you actually end up doing this status match, you're not going to be getting these same awards that people normally associate with these different milestones. You still can reach these milestones and get these awards, but it's going to be separate from the status match. Now, some great things to note about the status match is that both paid stays and award stays count towards qualifying nights. So if you happen to use points for all 20 nights, you still can become a Globalist by doing it that way. Also, a great thing about this fast track is that it actually overlaps with the bonus journey that is currently going on with the Hyatt program. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with it, Hyatt actually right now has a bonus journey that for each 2 nights you stay, you end up getting yourself 3,000 points back. This is a pretty good bonus journey that ends up overlapping nicely with the fast track because say you end up staying 20 nights and end up getting yourself Globalist, you're actually going to end up getting yourself 30,000 points back for doing that. 30,000 points can end up being $600 at least in value when it comes to Hyatt stays. So that can end up being a nice give back on top of getting yourself Globalist Globalist. Now, I realize that not everyone's gonna be able to stay 20 nights to become a Globalist during this 90-day period, but for me, it seems like at least a no-brainer to register, get yourself Explorer status, and then if you happen to be staying at Hyatt hotels, you may be able to get yourself at least Explorer status for the next almost 2 years. This is something I'm definitely going to do, and I'm definitely going to complete the 20 nights for the Globalist status because I already happen to have Hyatt stays already booked that are going to be able to work out really nice for me, and I didn't know if I was actually going to be able to get myself 60 nights to be able to qualify for Globalist by the end of this year. I was looking at somewhere near about 50 nights, but now this fast track is here, I know that I can definitely end up reaching Globalist status all the way until February of 2025, which ends up being absolutely awesome. I've had Globalist status for the past 3 years, and I've had an incredible experience with it. I have an entire video talking about having Globalist status, but just a quick rundown of some of the awesome benefits you can end up getting with it. You can get yourself sweet upgrade awards when available, additional points on paid stays, resort fees waived on paid stays, and then also free breakfast. Free breakfast has been absolutely key for me. I remember when I visited London, I stayed at the Andaz for a week, and I actually had a friend who was staying with me, and breakfast there was going to be about $40 per person each day. So just for that one stay, I saved over $500 just because I was a World of Hyatt Globalist. This is one of the many reasons why I absolutely love being a World of Hyatt Globalist, and I recommend for anyone who could take advantage of this status match to do so. Now definitely make sure to do the math and make sure it makes sense to actually try to reach Globalist with the 20 nights over the 9 days, because I still know that this can end up being pretty hard for many people, but if you can achieve it, go for it, because you're gonna be so thankful with all the benefits that come with having that status. Hopefully you enjoy this video. Let me know if you happen to have any questions about this fast track towards becoming a World of Hyatt Explorers or a World of Hyatt Globalist. Now just remember, you have to act fast for the registration because it does end on April 1st, so register as soon as you're done watching this video, and then you can determine whether or not it makes sense for you to either try to go after Explorers or Globalists. Now if you happen to be interested in any credit cards, I will have referral links in the description box. If you decide to use them, they will really help out the channel, and I'll be incredibly thankful for your support. If you happen to really like this video, then please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this video, and have a beautiful rest of your day. Peace.